What are crypto airdrops? A cryptocurrency airdrop is similar to receiving a voucher for a free sample for something. For example, new stores or restaurants may provide a complimentary drink or small item for first-time clients. The objective is that those who receive free things or discounts would be pleased with the service, tell their friends about it, and become loyal clients. A company's goal when airdropping cryptocurrency to customers is to do something similar. The startup is betting that by putting free coins into customers' wallets, they will spread the word about the new initiative and its potential use cases. Of course, there's more to it than just getting a freebie out of nowhere, as with everything crypto-related. This video will tell you all there is to know about crypto airdrops. Let's dive right in. What is a crypto airdrop? A crypto airdrop occurs when a new crypto project offers cryptocurrency to new members for free or in return for completing a basic activity such as sharing a social media post. During the initial coin offering ICO mania in 2017 and 2018, this approach became widespread. Many cryptocurrency startups employed airdrops to advertise their initial coin offerings and generate interest in their new digital currency. Governance tokens, in addition to standard money, are occasionally airdropped, allowing early adopters a greater voice in how a project develops in the future. The draw of customers is straightforward. Crypto airdrops enable them to receive tokens without needing to purchase cryptocurrencies. The value to the firm is obvious. People who would otherwise be unaware of the initiative may become investors or, at the very least, contribute free publicity for the company. What are the different types of airdrops? Airdrops can take place in a variety of ways. The word is most commonly used to describe free tokens put into a user's wallet in return for nothing more than an email address. However, that isn't the only sort of cryptocurrency airdrop. Typical airdrop. This is the form of airdrop discussed before, in which users receive free tokens in exchange for signing up for a newsletter or something similar. Bounty airdrop. Bounty airdrops demand users to complete a basic activity to obtain the tokens. Retweeting anything about the project, making an Instagram post and tagging a few friends, or establishing a Telegram group are the most common ways to do so. Exclusive airdrops. This form of airdrop is only available to persons who have a long relationship with a certain project, website, or community. In September 2020, for example, Uniswap offered its loyal users 2,500 Uni tokens. That was worth around $1,200 at the time, and there were no conditions. Hard fork airdrop. This one is a little different from the others. A new currency is generated when a coin hard forks from its old blockchain, and individuals who own the original coin will get an equal quantity of the new tokens in their wallet. The Bitcoin Cash (BCH) hard fork in 2017 was the most well-known example of this. Bitcoin users who had BTC immediately got an equivalent amount of BCH. Holder airdrop. Users who already own specific tokens will receive new ones in these airdrops, which are analogous to hard forks. When a new project is launched on one of EOS's or Ethereum's blockchains, for example, users are occasionally given free tokens. These aren't forks of the original coins, but rather completely new projects built on top of the EOS or Ethereum protocols. All of these sort of airdrops have one thing in common: fresh coins are distributed. How do I get airdrops from crypto? Searching for crypto airdrops or what is crypto airdrop may be the simplest approach to locating crypto airdrops. Because these events are intended to promote marketing and projects, they tend to be rather easy to locate. Some websites, such as Coin Airdrops, are dedicated only to listing impending airdrops. Scams exist in the cryptocurrency industry, therefore users should take precautions to protect their personal information. When looking for airdrops, it's possible to come across someone who claims to give an airdrop but is conducting a phishing effort, trying to steal information. It's safe to assume that a claimed airdrop is a scam if it asks for your login credentials, for a website or bank account, the private keys to a cryptocurrency wallet, or any other sensitive information. Requests to download special software or open links in emails might be phishing efforts aimed at infecting your computer with malware and stealing sensitive data. Is it even worth the effort? Some may argue that airdrops are worthwhile since they supply something for nothing. At the same time, when a new project decides to airdrop cryptocurrency, it creates a supply surplus, which might cause values to plummet in the future. As a result of the large number of users who get coins, many of them prefer to cash out as soon as possible. Airdrop coins sometimes lose the majority or all of their value over time. The Aurora coin AUR airdrop is a good example of this. In March 2014, AUR was approved as a cryptocurrency for Icelandic nationals. All citizens of the nation were entitled to register for a free 31.8 AUR, approximately $380 at the time. One AUR was worth roughly 10 cents at the time of writing, implying that the 2014 airdrop would be worth less than $3 in 2021. Aurora coin is also only available on 2 minor crypto exchanges, implying that there is minimal liquidity in the market and that holders may have difficulty selling. This depicts how airdrop coins may depreciate to the point that they are virtually worthless over time. Examples of crypto airdrops. Hundreds, if not thousands, of airdrops have taken place in the global crypto markets in the last few years. Here are a few that stood out: Bitcoin Cash, Decred, Oyster, Minerium, Uniswap, Stellar, BitTorrent, 1inch. Are crypto airdrops safe? In the past, some users have been scammed by bogus airdrops. Several bogus crypto companies were scams during the IOC boom of 2017 and 2018. Some clever con artists developed a means to attract investment capital without actually developing anything in an area where there is far more hype than regulation. They'd make a coin or say they were going to make a coin, then claim that they're going to airdrop crypto. Other speculators would make investments believing that the proportioned airdrop would lead to a successful enterprise, or the corporation would ask minor sums to be qualified for the alleged airdrop. Even though these sort of frauds are less widespread today than they were 3 or 4 years ago, investors should still be aware of crypto airdrops. Looking at the term safe from a different angle, few people would dispute that the coins received in an airdrop are a good investment. Altcoins in general are speculative, and any new coin that has been airdropped is no exception. Airdrop crypto may lose virtually all of its value, as we saw with Aurora coin. Many people who sign up for airdrops or become eligible for them are aware of the situation and will likely take advantage of it as soon as feasible. Those few airdrop receivers who acquire a valuable coin at a time when there is liquid market for it may be able to profit. Others may substantially be left with a sack of useless coins. In the end, crypto airdrops entail people obtaining something for almost nothing, such as an email address or a social network boost. While some receivers have been fortunate enough to be among the first to get a valuable airdrop, many others have been duped by unrealistic claims or the next great thing in crypto.